I am seeing in the realm of the spirit, the Lord said, pray the prayer and commit what's called Nigerian army. Commit them in the prayers. Commit Nigerian armed forces in the prayer. Commit everybody who are in one way or the other serving the government in prayers. Because I'm seeing what's called army people, uniform people surrendered, and surrender all their guns, and surrender all their armories, and surrender everything that they have to fight or to defend. I am seeing what's called something about to happen that will bring these people that are being fighting to keep the peace of the nation to completely surrender. And I begin to look at the spiritual world. I begin to ask the Lord, what's the meaning of this? What is the army surrendering for? What's the root cause of this? Nigerian military to surrender. And surrendering everything. Major prophet is not an orchestrator of anything. In fact, I can tell you with what I'm seeing in the realm of the spirit, this is not Yorubas making them to surrender. This is not the Biafrans making them to surrender. And this is not even the men Ariwas making them to surrender. But these are people who you cannot understand. People who came was called black color, but the inside they are white color. People who now operate different kinds of war equipment and enter into your armories and cause you to surrender. The Lord have mercy. Major prophet is not in the prophetic to begin to prophesy things to terrify people, but to prophesy things that people should hear the word of the Lord and take measures and take right steps. Because I'm hearing and seeing some people talking about election. Election. May God show you mercy. Karanama zumbra hedi kalanto. Because I'm seeing what's called the people on uniforms completely surrender. And if the people on uniform surrendered, what will happen on Mufti people? What will happen on common citizens? What is how going to happen? Is this the same message of the same takeover that I saw? Completely taking over? Or what is this? What am I seeing? Major prophet of God, what are you seeing in the realm of the spirit? Marana kantoski brabaoshi kaparaso. Rebebo kombramana kontoshe kalabaraba. Shibra bakatianozo. Ragate debo shambra pamakata dalabanakata dabashatarakata. Le grondo jimbra anda kapaparala. Shetekero sobabari mama nakata nabada. Let the Lord arise and let the enemy scatter. May I and my household not be part of this consuming thing that is coming. Please, wherever you're watching me, comment, I and my household will never be part of this consuming thing that is coming. I am preserved, I and my family, I and my household, we are preserved, we are kept by the Lord. Comment immediately, I and my household are under the coverage of the Almighty Jehovah. We are under the protection of Jehovah God. We hide under the shadow of the Almighty, and we run into the pavilion of Jehovah. Because in the realm of the spirit, people who are going to resist this matter that I'm seeing are not going to be the uniform people. People who are going to resist this thing that I'm seeing in the realm of the spirit are not going to be people who are called bullet or gun carriers. People who want to resist these things are going to be indigenous of the land that will rise and say, no, if it is cutlass, let them use. And this is what's going to happen to what's called everybody go and carry your own gun. I am seeing something that the Lord is showing to major prophet of God. This is something that is ahead, but the Lord has shown to major prophet now, because I'm seeing what's called the cities. Already the cities bought over. Maramba Katosha. And the Lord took me straight away, and I began to see what's called houses bought over before now. I'm seeing houses in Lagos State bought over before now. I'm seeing warehouses in Lagos State bought over before now. And I'm seeing those warehouses are loaded with different kinds of ammunition. I am seeing some houses in Abuja bought over. And I'm seeing those houses in Abuja loaded with different kind of ammunition. And as I enter in the realm of the spirit, I'm beginning to look at those ammunitions. I begin to ask the Lord, these ammunitions, are they belonging to the state or belonging to the country? And the Lord said, no, The people with the agenda has bought those properties secretly and has loaded all their ammunitions in those places, and their trained mercenaries are already in your city, are already in your marketplace, are already on your road, are already in the vehicles, are already doing the taxi, are already doing the conductors, are already in one place or the other, and they are taking over different places and getting ready for what's called an alarm. And when this alarm is blown, people who are not on high alert will be shocked that people who carry them on the bike will all of a sudden become mercenaries that are going to enter into these warehouses and pick up things and begin to hit the street. Please and please and please. Prophecy must come with what's called revelations, and come with what's called solutions, and come with what's called a way forward. And the Lord said, tell the people as quick as possible to rise on their feet. Let no man sleep again. Whoever have been sleeping should sleep no more. Whoever have been on the mountain should not come down, but get at alert on the mountain. Whoever is in the valley, get alert at the valley, because of what the Lord has revealed to his servant, the major prophet of God. Because as major prophet of God, I will not be in a country and not see all of this thing. Because I'm seeing what's called warehouses bought over. I am seeing what's called different places and different houses bought over. And these houses are housing the machineries. These houses are housing the equipment. These houses are housing different kinds of vehicles. You never knew when these vehicles were brought in and were taken out. Arise, O Lord, let thy enemy be scattered. Arise, O Lord, let thy enemy be scattered. Oh, arise, O Lord, let thy enemy be scattered. Oh Lord, oh God, arise, oh Lord, arise, O Lord, let thy enemy be scattered. Arise, O Lord, let thy enemy be scattered. Oh, arise, O Lord, let thy enemy be scattered. Oh Lord, our God. Because in the realm of the spirit to the realm of the physical, they have come. They have come. And they have come. Mention Takakubrahidash. I lift up my hand as a prophet of God to pray that the mercy of God will prevail, the glory of God prevail, the hand of the Lord prevail. Let the supernatural prevail, hand of mercy prevail. Jehovah Jireh, Jehovah Nissi, Jehovah Adonai, Jehovah Elohim, mighty man in battle. You are the mighty man in battle. El Shaddai, you are the mighty man in battle. Jehovah Nissi, you are the mighty man in battle. El Shaddai, you are the mighty man in battle. Glory to your name. You are the mighty man in battle. El Shaddai, you are the mighty man in battle. Jehovah Nissi, you are the mighty man in battle. El Shaddai, you are the mighty man in battle. Glory to your name. Chinekanye dema, odema. Onye gero amarama, odema, Chinekanye dema, odema, onye gero adema, odema, Chinekanye dema, dema, Jehovah dema, dema,